Choosing the right product from the market is a hectic job, but don't worry, we've made the task easier by preparing the list of the best ones ready for you. If you want to know more about these models, then click on the links given in the description. Now let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Canon cameras take a leading position in the DSLR market. They create products for a diverse range of users, from entry-level users to professional photographers. It provides incredible image quality, seriously impressive autofocus, a decent battery life with a good touchscreen, an excellent electronic viewfinder, and more.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a versatile DSLR that offers an ideal mix of stills and video capabilities. Its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor deliver high sensitivity and fast camera performance to suit both stills and video applications. And its flexible native ISO 100 through 25,600 range suits working in a variety of lighting conditions, while the processing capabilities minimize noise for notable clarity. Plus, it also supports UHD 4K 24p video recording as well as Full HD and HD recording. And its movie servo AF focusing functions and the touchscreen design of the LCD monitor offers intuitive control. And its sensor's design also facilitates dual-pixel CMOS AF, which uses phase detection autofocus for quick, accurate, and smooth focusing performance when recording movies or shooting stills in live view.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This Canon EOS 90D is a sleek DSLR characterized by its high-resolution 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. It features an impressively high-resolution 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a 90D capable of producing imagery with notable clarity and dynamic range. And its broad sensitivity range of ISO 100 through 25,600 and low noise support working in difficult lighting situations. Plus, its touchscreen, 3-inch 1.04-meter dot LCD monitor features a very-angled design to permit working from high and low angles. And its touchscreen design facilitates intuitive control over menu navigation and touch-to-focus operation. Its built-in Wi-Fi allows for easy wireless sharing of both photos and movies to a linked mobile device. And its Bluetooth connectivity permits linking a smartphone or tablet for quick image sharing between devices.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
This 6D Mark II uses a newly developed 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that works in tandem with a Digic 7 image processor to create sharp, vivid imagery and video. It contributes to high performance and low light with a native sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 40,000, which can then be expanded to ISO 50 to 102,400. And its 7560 pixel RGB plus IR metering sensor helps minimize the impact of flickering lights in your images and ensures accurate reading of the entire scene. Plus, its built-in GPS module allows you to geotag imagery in camera and auto-time sync with the universal time code via satellites. And its built-in intervalometer permits the creation of UHD 4K time-lapse imagery and supports recording consecutive frames in pre-selected intervals.
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
This Canon EOS 5D offers a newly developed 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 6 Plus image processor to balance fine detail and resolution with low light performance and sensitivity. It incorporates an enhanced high-density reticular AF system that provides 61 phase detect points, with all points sensitive to f-8 and 41 of which are cross-type. And its center point functions on down to -3 EV for working in extremely dim lighting. Furthermore, it supports DCI 4K 4096 by 2160 resolution recording, up to 30 FPS at 500 megabytes per second. And it also gives a full HD 1080p shooting at 60 FPS and HD 720p at 120 FPS for slow motion playback. Its large ClearView 2 LCD monitor features an anti-reflective design for bright, vivid image playback and live view shooting. And its mirror vibration control system helps to minimize mechanical vibrations to better ensure sharpness during long exposures or fast continuous shooting bursts.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
This Canon EOS-1D XMark III is a powerful DSLR designed for sports, wildlife, and other trying and dynamic imaging applications. Its redesigned 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic X image processor yield impressive image quality, along with remarkable speed and sensitivity. And its camera is capable of continuous shooting rates up to 16 FPS with the optical viewfinder, or 20 FPS in live view, with a 1000 shot buffer when shooting RAW plus JPEG. Plus, its EOS ITR AFX autofocus system uses 191 points for quickly and accurately acquiring focus. And it also enables face tracking and head detection AF functions, which use deep learning technology to maintain critical focus on moving subjects. Additionally, its dual-pixel CMOS AF operates 3,869 manually selectable points and provides a smooth, natural focusing quality akin to how a camcorder acquires focus. And its built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS permit seamless wireless connectivity, and its built-in Ethernet port allows for faster wired LAN file transferring.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
This Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a versatile multimedia camera with a well-rounded photo and video feature set. Its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor deliver high sensitivity and fast camera performance to suit both stills and video applications. And its flexible ISO 100 to 25,600 range with an expandable ISO 51,200 setting suits working in a variety of lighting conditions. Moreover, its processing capabilities help minimize noise and afford auto lighting optimizer for notable clarity in various shooting situations. And its touchscreen LCD provides an intuitive method for controlling focusing points, navigating menus, and reviewing imagery. Besides that, its built-in Wi-Fi with NFC allows for easy wireless sharing of both photos and movies to a linked mobile device. And its built-in Bluetooth permits linking a smartphone or tablet for quick automatic image sharing between devices, as well as remote control capabilities.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.